Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on your Android phone. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, scroll down and tap Display. Then, look for the dark mode, dark theme, or theme option, depending on your device. Tap the switch to turn dark mode on. If your phone supports it, you can also tap dark mode settings or schedule to automatically turn dark mode on and off at specific times, such as from sunset to sunrise or on a custom schedule. Once enabled, you'll notice that your phone's interface changes to a darker appearance, making it more comfortable to use in low-light environments and helping save battery life on OLED displays. Finally, exit the Settings app and enjoy your new dark mode experience. Happy watching! Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.